Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a fail-proof rice cake. It's soft, fluffy, and full of rice flavor. It's a classic breakfast in China. If you are tired of your regular cake, try this recipe. Let's get started. We need rice flour, all-purpose flour, sugar, water, yeast, and baking powder. Mix everything well until you get a smooth batter, similar to a thick yogurt. Cover it and let it rest in a warm place until it doubles in size. Once it's ready, stir the batter to release the air bubbles. Then pour it into your mold. Tap the mold to release any large air bubbles. Add a little topping for decoration, and let it rest for another 15 minutes. Boil enough water in your steamer and steam them over high heat for 15 minutes. When the time is up, turn off the heat and let them set in the steamer for 5 minutes. Remember, don't open the lid. Now your rice cakes are ready. Fluffy, soft, and full of that unique rice aroma. Give it a try. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.